Kani kedai Batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni, melawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Lumsopho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Ki Nongtri Jongka Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, Ki Badana Pokashatri Jongka all unions and associations of BSNL Hakashitri Urisa. Kila pelong da kajing deng lamayong bat kajing ki apo ka office rikam kemudian hanong ba Shillong komisi bentaban persya ya kajing sya pendam ka tender jong ka BSNL ban pelino ya ka 4G kanang ban penjana syuk ya kajing syakri ya ki pai ba nong syong hakari u circle secretary ka SNEA North East Circle u Rakesh Kumar Sharma habai keren bagila pathai kubor ulai thu ba mentalan re banai kinti nadu bak sarkar kala pendam ka tender ban peli pai ba ya ka 4G hadap mentah sarkar kam syem lala ban ajuba pe ya ka jing pan jing pensha jong ka seng kumba kalong mentagi company kum ka Reliance Jio ka Airtel bat ka Vodafone kila nang ya chakmat ban penjana syushu ka jing sakri jong ki da ka plat pe ba sundan da ka 5G.
You know, now in India 4G is an old thing. Almost all the operators are having 4G and BSNL is still struggling to get the 4G spectrum and the equipments. After our long protest last year, government announced that yes, we will revive BSNL. Now, revive BSNL does not mean that government is giving us some extra taxpayers' money. No, we have asked to give our own dues. There are many dues that we are supposed to get, and we said we monetize the land or whatever. So government said, okay, we are going to revive it. They went for the, they announced so many measures. Out of that, only one measure they have fulfilled is half of our employees were given VRS. That also we accepted, okay. But after that, we were denied any revival policy. The biggest thing is, how do you work? So say, today, if you have to cover a news and you said the management tells you, no, we will not give you a mobile, a camera. How do you cover the news? So similarly, now the demand is 4G, 5G, and we have been struggling. So on the one agenda that we want 4G right now, because delaying means our services will be affected. And now government says, okay, what we will do is Atmanirbhar Bharat. Okay, we welcome it, but it says some company will tie up with some other companies and they will try to bring indigenous equipment, and that equipment will be tested, and after testing it will be given to BSNL. Now it's like a corona vaccine. It will take how many years? I don't know. What do I do? Give us some solution. We want, even all the operators are having 4G, why not BSNL? So for that, today we have observed it as a black day, because the promises given by government for the revival of BSNL has not been fulfilled by the government. They have simply betrayed us, and so we are observing that.